So you take your bowl and then you take your seeds and your oats. And what you're gonna do is you're going to take your oats and take 1 spoonful of them and put it in the bowl. Once you've done that, you may want to add a second, as we are going to do, because it doesn't make a whole lot. What we're gonna do next is take 1 spoonful of the seeds. We are going to double this amount so we can have more for the birds. If you only have 1 bird, you may only need 1 measurement of this.
And you're going to take the vitamins and get 1 scoop of that and put it inside of the mixture.
Because we doubled it, we want to put 2.
And then you mix it. After that, you are going to get your peanut butter and take half a spoonful of that. We also end up adding more spoonfuls after because
You just add 1 spoonful at a time
Yeah.
and stop when it's a nice pasty mixture. We were stirring it with the spoon, but it didn't end up working, so we went in with our fingers and started stirring. It may take a while, but once you're done, it will take a while. So it's gonna take a while, but you just keep adding peanut butter in small amounts.
and it will take a while and even more and it will even more take a while.
So you're just gonna keep adding the peanut butter, keep mixing it in.
And it will take a while.
And then you get a winter to help you.
Get a winter to help you.
Your assistant Winter. And then what you do with her is you make her not like peanut butter suddenly. And
It will take a long
you
time.
need it like slime. Also, you may want to add some water if it's really dry still. Don't want to add too much though. Just like a few drops. And now we have the Winter helping.
The winter. Hello, winter. Hello. The winter is helping.
So you just want to keep kneading it like slime.
Like slime. And it will take a while. And take a while, and take a while, and take a while.
And more.
And even more. And then you stir it your hands. And stir it even more.
This is a necessary step. Staring
takes
at
a
your
while.
hands. Another choice is you can also add some oats. But
a little
just,
more.
yeah. You don't actually want to add flour unless you're gonna bake it, but it also doesn't work because peanut butter will just melt. So I wouldn't add any flour to this. And as you can see now that we're done mixing it, we're just gonna try and get it off of our hands.
And it will take a while.
And you just want to make sure it's fully mixed through and there's no dry parts. And once you're done that, you're gonna put it in the freezer.
Yeah, after you make it.